Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to auto delete your OTPs on your Android phone after 24 hours automatically. So for this guys, you need to have the Google messaging app on your phone. If you don't have, go to Google Play Store and download and install it on your phone. After download and install, open the messaging app, go to your profile section. From here open the messages settings and go to journal, and here you can get the option message organization. Just tap and open it, and here you can get the option auto delete OTPs after 24 hours. Just you need to enable this option, that's it. So when you receive any OTP on your phone after 24 hours, it will automatically delete it from your phone. So this is the nice and very useful option on your phone. If you don't getting this option, go to Google Play Store and update your messaging app. That's it. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.